Hey guys, X-Men Times here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Creality CR10s. It is a 3D printer, and I've been waiting a long time to get this, so let's unbox it right now. I got it open. Let's see what's on the inside. Okay, so we have a giant black styrofoam sheet right here. I think I might have opened it upside down. Yeah. I opened it upside down. Enjoy another time lapse. Okay, I haven't looked inside yet. I'm guessing it's gonna be another black sheet, but maybe this one will come up. Alright, so first thing I see when I open it up is this roll of filament, which I ordered separately, but it came in the same box, so that's cool. It's a kilogram roll of black. It's alpha wise, PLA, 1.75 millimeter. So yeah, I ordered some filament with it too. We'll put that right there. Styrofoam sheet. Styrofoam block. Alright. We have the actual printer itself right here. You can see the glass bed. I don't know if you can, but there's the glass bed. So let's remove the frame. Okay, so you guys can't see this, but I'm on the second layer and I see the control box and the extruder and the top part and this little brown box and another piece of styrofoam. So we're going to check out this brown box in just a second. nothing else in the box. So let's put everything up and set it up. Okay, so in this box, the filament was right here. So I saw it like that. This is the hotbed build plate, and so let's take this out of the styrofoam and look at it. You do not want to lift it up by the glass. Okay, so I believe it goes this way. Yeah, there's a bunch of little styrofoam pieces on my table. We have the connector right back here. And I'm not going to take all this stuff off quite yet. Actually, I'll take this piece off. I got a knife. Be careful not to cut your printer. Okay, I'm gonna leave this glass covering on for now. Let's scoot this to the side and see the other top. Okay, this piece is like this, and I'm running out of space. Let's take it out of this box. That's a circuit put out here. Here's the tape, and it is moldy. Yeah. So let's cut all this stuff off and get that foam out of there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so let's cut all these off. And the foam. And these are great. Yeah, greasy. Okay, so there's one more thing that we have to open before we put this all together. That's this little box. Stay. Alright, so this is the last thing that was included besides all that foam. So, yeah, let's open it. In here, we have the tubing for the sides. I believe this is the filament spool holder. We have the power cord. This is another part of the spool holder table. I think these are spare parts. Some brackets and things. The filament run out detector. Acupuncture needle or filament cleaner. Protecting this nice little popsicle. I have a spatula. Let's see, it does have a nice blade. A little messed up. It's very scratched already. So I'll glue on it. It does have a blade, it's pretty sharp. We have a bunch of tools and zip ties, warranty card, instruction manual, spare filament tube, a little micro SD card with a little micro SD card reader, and we have a box. I have a box. Glorious. I think this is the white PLA that it comes with. Yeah, PLA white. I think this is like 256 gigabytes. Grams. I cannot speak today. Wow. It's a mini spool. But just to show you how small this spool is, white spool, 1 kilogram spool. This should be fun to put together. Okay guys, the next day, I just started printing something. I printed something overnight. It turned out fantastic. We're gonna look at that in a second. But so far, it is a really good printer and I highly recommend it to you. Right now I'm printing on a little elephant thing that will move, so we'll see how well it handles that. This tape was like hard to get the print off of and to get off the bed. I think that might be because we used this blue tape instead of its actual original tape. So I'll look into that. And it's printing really good. So let's go look at the print I did. So here's the print. It is really smooth and turned out really well. I hope you guys can see that. That light is kind of messing it up. But there's only one problem, and that was that little layer shift on its stomach right there. You can hardly see it, and it's really smooth, and it feels like it was injection molded, which is really good. So yeah.